Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibtisam Ahmed. I have been teaching at IB Guide since 2016. The purpose of this video is to specifically discuss SAT's English section. I will be discussing the scope and breadth of the section as well as what candidates can do to improve their scores. We will be discussing the objective sections of SAT's English. There is the writing section which has 35 minutes and 44 questions, and there is the reading section which has 52 questions and 65 minutes. Important implication here is that both sections are reading intensive and the questions are contextualized. What this means is that candidates must have a very well developed reading ability. Now the best way to improve your reading ability is through long-term exposure to diverse sources of literature. Candidates who have this exposure should approach the test differently from those who don't. So candidates with a 650 plus score in a diagnostic test should get themselves familiarized with the content and structure of the test. Those who have a score less than 600 should also do this, but they also need to give themselves time to read intensively and develop their reading ability. So between now and the test date, these candidates should aim for reading at least 10 to 15 books from different sources of literature, and also read articles and sources from specifically from the genres that are tested on SAT, which are American history, narrative, social sciences and sciences. Consistency and structure are crucial in aptitude test preparation, and what IB Guides helps candidates with is in adopting a disciplined reading regime. And this is why most candidates improve at least 150 to 200 points during their time at IB Guides. In the end, I would like to wish you a very good luck for your SAT and subsequently for your admission processes for colleges.
IBA Grads, gateway to your desired future.